Tell us some more about your life. Ow. That's her camera. Oh my god. Do you think you're an acrobat?
An acrobat, yeah, it's more like it.
Is this still recording? Oh no. Hey! We know you have the computer, the bed's gonna collapse. Oh, go. Are you gonna be a diver? You gotta wait till you get in water to do that. You can't do that in the oxygen. That's not where you swim. I'm gonna get you. Come on, this good.